Hello students, hope you have done your homework. Today I will start with the next question. Before that, I am going to give you the divisibility rules that you have done in 4th also. If you remember, we have done divisibility by 2, 5 and 10 also, but here I will do till 2 and 5 only. The numbers which are even, like which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at one's place, these numbers are always divisible by 2. They are divisible by 2. Similarly, the numbers which have 0 or 5 at its one's place, these numbers will be divisible by 5 always. Keeping in mind these two rules, you can easily do the prime factorization. I mean to say your next question easily. Now see, question 2 is express as the product of three factors. One is given already to you, 70. 70 is given in the multiplication of 2, 5 and 7. Means when you multiply these three factors, you will get the answer 70. Similarly, we have to express these numbers in the form of three factors. For that, I have taken the method of prime factorization. See, I have solved here. First, B part, number is 42. You have done in 4th also. We will do mind division here. If you feel problem, you can do division in rough work also. 42 first divided by 2. Because it is a prime factorization, you will always take prime numbers. Keep that in mind. You will always take prime numbers. Prime numbers are those which are not divisible by any other number. See, 42 when divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2. 2 1s are 2. 21 is answer. 21 will be written down. Now next 21. 3 is again, it is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. We have tried for 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 2, 3 and 7. These are the factors of 42 and we can express this 42 in the multiplication of these three factors. Similarly, I have taken one more part, E part, that is 385. As it is 5 at one's place, it has, so I have told you the numbers which have 5 at one's place or 0 at one's place, they are divisible by 5. So 385 is divisible by 5. I have taken this. I am showing the division here. You can do orally also and you can do in mind also. But when you will repeat it, you will be able to do division in mind. As I have divided by 5, I get 77. I have written here. Now clearly it is divisible by 7. 7 11s are 77. Now the factors of 385 are 5, 7 and 11. So we can show 385 in the product of these three factors. This is question number 2. I have done B and E part. A part is already done. So question 2, C part and D part is your practice work. You will do in your practice notebook. Third question we have done already yesterday. Now coming to question number 4. Here in question 4, we are to write P for prime number, C for composite number. You have done the definition. Prime numbers which are not divisible by any other number except one and number itself, and composite numbers which are divisible by other numbers also. So here starting with 12. This actually you have to do this orally. But even then I am going to explain one or two. I am taking up 12. Now 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 is divisible by 2 also. 6. 12 is divisible by 3 also. 4, it is divisible by 4 also. Means it is divisible by more than 2 numbers. 1 and number itself. So it is a composite number. We will put C here. Similarly, 30. Come to next part, C, 31. You will see 31 is not divisible by any other number. It is only divisible by 1 or 31. So it becomes prime number. 38 even number है. You know that even number is always divisible by 2. So it is divisible by other than number and 1. So it is a composite number. Similarly, rest of the parts you have to do yourself. Some parts I have done here in your class for your classwork notebook. A part, B explained, C also explained. Now H part is 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 only. So it is also a prime number. Now I part is 1. Here you should know 1 is very special. 1 is a special number because it is not divisible by any other number. It is divisible by 1 only. And you will get answer also 1. It has only one factor, so it is called special number. It is neither prime nor composite. ना तो ये prime में count होता है, ना ही ये composite में count होता है.